hiccups. You got hiccups. Oh, baby boy. Oh, shame. When you giggle, you get hiccups. What a bad world. It's not a bad world. Mummy's being silly. You're sticking your tongue out at Mummy. She's a super cool dude. You got your Hawaii shirt on. You're pretending you're with Granddad in Florida. Or in America, wherever he is. Don't know if he's going to Florida, but say, hello, I'm a cool dude. Go, is there a tooth there? Almost. There a tooth there. Almost. There a tooth there. Almost. There a tooth there. Almost. Oh, hiccups. Yes. Yes, hiccups. Yeah. Tickle. Tickle. Getting excited. Yeah, you're getting excited. Look how big you are. Actually, now they come together, you'd almost think it was just one plant. And these pendulous stems together, making a wonderful sort of... There's your eye. There's your mouth hiccup. Oh, baby boy. Mommy give you a fright? Boo! A peekaboo! Where's baby Paxton? Boo! It's not working. He's not working. Yes. Aww. Things like sweet corn can be frozen without too much loss of flavour. We've eaten as many as we can, and we've given them away. Yeah? Oh, it's not going away. Yeah. I know. You gonna tell us a story? Oh. Yes. Oh, my poor boy. Yeah. Yeah. You're on camera. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Are you looking at your mommy? Give mommy a smile. Are you gonna laugh? No. You didn't tell me to.
He asked me on the phone, have we got syrup? I says, no, get some.
Oh, it's over the tins, I think there's some. Shit. Oops, bad word. Mommy said a bad word. No. No.